Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix WhatsApp SMS verification code not received. If you are facing issue with not receiving the WhatsApp SMS verification code on your phone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Here is a step-by-step guide. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to send and receive messages. After entering your phone number, if you don't receive the SMS verification code, wait for a few minutes. WhatsApp might offer you the option to receive the code by phone call. Listen for the call or check for a missed call. Ensure correct phone number. Double check that you entered the correct phone number. Make sure it includes the correct country code and try a different number. You are still having issue, try using different phone number. It is possible that there may be an issue with your current number. Restart phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issue. Restart your phone and try the WhatsApp verification process again and clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for WhatsApp. In app info of WhatsApp, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Update WhatsApp. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Outdated versions may have bugs that can be fixed in newer releases. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.